Hamjambo, karibuni tena kwa kipindi kingine cha Kiswahili. Let's learn Swahili with Mwalimu Rose. Leo tunaangazia kuhusu vitenzi. Vitenzi is the phrase in Swahili that means verbs. So today basically we are learning about verbs. Kwa Kiswahili, vitenzi. In English, verbs. So let's get started. Vitenzi, we said it's verbs. So, soma, read, andika, write, kula, eat, lala, sleep, fanya, do, enda, go, kuja, come, imba, sing, pika, cook, kimbia, run. That's good. Can we take it one more time and let me know which word that you understood much better today? Soma means read. Andika means write. Kula, eat. Lala, sleep. Fanya, do. Enda, go. Kuja, come. Imba, sing. Pika, cook. Kimbia, run. So, out of all 2 days that you learned, which verb do you like? Mimi, kitenzi ambacho napenda ni imba. La 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 la, imba. Ninaimba. Mwalimu Rose anaimba. La 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 la. Thank you and bye. See you in the next class.